Well, guys, we kind of ran into an issue. My soft top ripped wide open. So I guess we're just gonna tape it until we order another one and it comes in the mail. So yeah, it's pretty fancy. What is that?
Oh no!
All right. So yeah, I just like ripped all the way back when Ken was driving it home. So we stitched it a bit. It's probably a combined effort to do this, but you know, whatever.
Teamwork.
We stitched it up on both sides with a bunch of zip ties, you know, style points. Then we're gonna go ahead and Gorilla tape it heavily, probably up to like halfway on here. And we tucked this in like so. So fingers crossed. We're gonna throw a bunch of tape on here. It's probably gonna make a lot of wind noise, but at least it'll be drivable. Never put this top down, ever. All right, we're gonna go down the top and show you guys the end product. It's gonna look really bad. Here is the end product. We ran out of tape, so it's not as bougie as we wanted it to be, but I'm gonna go press in stuff a little bit more, and we're gonna go take it for a test drive. So yeah, what do you guys think so far? Check this out. Yeah, it's not a flex or anything, you know, but it is, you know what I'm saying? I ain't about to spend whatever, $400-600 on this. But yeah, let's go for the test drive. And the Prius is behind the car. All right, cool. We're jumping into the Miata. Oof. Oof. So we're gonna go take it for like a test drive and go like 80. That's the plan. We'll see how it goes. Hurry up, Ken, we're waiting for you. Everyone is waiting for you. Hurry. We have really serial experiments to do. I have a feeling this is gonna be legit, I think. All right, that did nothing. All right, here we go. So this is what we did. Since it blew out like that, we zip tied everything right here, and these were already there. I pulled them off and folded it in and pushed them in as tight as we could. So we got that going all the way across both sides. I think it'll work. I have no idea how loud the wind noise is gonna be, but that's what we're about to find out. So yeah, let's go. Here, take the phone. Now the top's all ripped open. This is broken. Never ends. This is on good. So far, so good. It ripped going around, what, 60? I still think you were going 80, but...
No way.
You can't drive under 80 in this car on the freeway. Like,
I was definitely going 60.
Okay, whatever.
Because I was like, man. Because, it was just a lot of traffic, that's why I'm 15. So I was definitely going 60.
5 things I hate about this car. This is one of them. This is prone to happen in these cars. If you own one, never use this. Just get like tint or something and you'll be good to go. Actually, it doesn't sound too bad, but you don't really hear anything until you're going 80, so well, 65, 66 maybe. All right, 71. Damn, man. Wonder if this person's trying to race. They would lose because I'm turning off my AC. Does it hold? We gotta get up to speed first, you know what I'm saying? Dude, it's holding.
It's doing a lot better than
It was. to begin with. What? Dude. Like, this is normal cruising speed, so.
This is way faster than what I do. What the heck?
Like, it's good. It'll survive until the channel supports me enough to fix it. So if you guys aren't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Appreciate it. Or just watch the commercials because I'm broke. I did not expect it to actually work. 3 thumbs up. Just kidding. But that's it, guys. I'm gonna go fill gas and let's jump to the rest of the video. Hey, what's up, guys? I hope you enjoyed that video. Man, what a bummer. The Miata is kind of getting setback after setback and after setback, but it's doing its purpose, and you know, we're just fixing one thing at a time, just living life, and that's all we can really do. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, hit that like button. If you guys want to stay up to date on the Miata build, hit that subscribe button, all right? Hit that notification bell if you guys want to, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.